Hey guys, this is NoRule79 Captures, and today we're gonna make gajrela with choco chips. So this one is gonna be choco chip gajrela. Let's go ahead and dig into the condiments, what we're gonna use and how we're gonna do it. Come on. And that's my daughter Clara. It's gonna be for you. Yes. All right, let's go. Let's dig into the things. Now we've got some grated carrots over there, which are long grated. These are the things which we're going to need. I'll close it up on them. For that amount of, that's about 5 kgs of carrots which I've done. And you'll definitely need that amount of sugar. With 350, it's not going to be as sweet. It's going to be somewhere in between, but it's going to be good flavor. So those are the first thing, which is choco chips. Got some cashews here, then some almonds. That's jaggery powder, or to be called shakka. I've got some dates, and then I've got some dried fruit. Let's go and head into the process, how we're gonna do it. And we are ready with our choco chip gajrela. You've actually put it out into a big utensil, and those are the black things, are choco chips with some almonds and cashews as toppings on there. I normally prefer it with some carrot juice, that's what you can see on the edges as well, but the juice would let the gajrela to stay moist over the maybe 2 or 3 days, and then you can actually keep on reheating it and having it again. And also, if you want to serve it hot, the liquid would help to not let it burn on the pot, and that's how it's gonna be. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That was No Rules 79 Captures, and today we had done the choco chip gajrela. It's another Indian dessert which is very famous. Hopefully to bring you another one in the coming few days. Thank you so much. Catch you soon. There we are.